So hello, welcome to Adi Linux, and today in this video we are going to discuss about the 5 Linux commands that can 10x your productivity, and that includes easing up all your things so that you can become a pro at whatever you are doing, like whether you are a system admin or a DevOps engineer. So let's get started with this. So for this, our goal is to find the needle and ignore the haystack. What does it mean? Like, if there is the noise of all the logs and everything that is showing in the screen when you are opening the logs or any other file, and you are just looking for that one thing that you are looking for. Suppose there's been some issue, and at that time you are just looking for some errors, and finding that from a huge lines of you know what, info and other stuff that are very unnecessary is very difficult. So for that, you can follow these things. So here, just look at this. These just consist of some important commands that you can acquire in your daily life. The first one is the locate purpose, for which find command is used. This one will target the file, and with that, if you are grep -r, then it will target the keyword. So grep is useful here for choosing the keyword that can help you find the right thing that you are looking for. And apart from that, if you are looking for dropping all the noise from the log, then grep-v is useful there. And there's the aggregate using the sort pipe unique command, and there's the cut. So we will be looking into this one by one so that you will have a better clarity on this. So the step 1, locate. So first thing is you have to know where is that log located. For that, find command is the most powerful command you can use. And here is the syntax given in the screen. You can see the dot here just after find is the starting or current directory from where you are going to start your search. And then the hyphen type is denoting the file type, that is whether it's a file or any other thing. So F means it's file, so we are searching for only the files because log will be in a file format. And there's hyphen name, that means it is the name, that is the pattern that is useful here. And the number 2 is like look, if we had found the log file, now from the log, whether if error is there or not, so how can we find that? For that, we can use grep -r error. So in this way, we can use this to search our main keyword, focus on the main keyword, that is the error. And the recursive -r, it means that it will be doing this recursively. And the next step is to refine, which means that grep-v info log file. So as we all know, there are many lines of info in the logs. So what can we do here? We can do -v. Yes, this one is very useful here. So with this, it will show all the lines except the info, that will reduce the noise. And now this is the cheat sheet that you can follow, like for example, for find, that will target the file metadata like the name and type. Like in this case, we were looking for the .log, and which was type of a name, and with the name we were looking for the type file, and this is best for locating lost files. deep in massive directories. Apart from that, grep-r, just remember -r is recursively, and the term recursive, it is very useful when we are digging into multiple directories, and inside there in multiple layers, it is very helpful. Apart from that, grep-v is also useful, and it is very powerful than other in case of reducing the noise here, just clearing out and removing the junk data. And here is the aggregate. So just look into this, and from here we can have the usage of sort and unique. The phase 1 is the raw data, and the phase 2 is sorted and grouped, and phase 3 is aggregated and counted. So from phase 1 to phase 3, as we see that we have kept the raw data, and we have sorted and grouped it in a way that we can have the better visual clarity. So this command is also helpful in doing the same thing. Like this sort is mainly for organizing data alphabetically, and likewise in this example we are concerned about the logs. So here, suppose you can follow this command: sort log file pipe uniq-c, where unique is the merges adjacent duplicates, and -c is the counts at occurrence of each line. That's the count. So for this we can have the understanding of how many times a specific API endpoint failed. So coming to the next slide of our video is to isolate. And what's the purpose of this? It is to extract specific data fields from structured log. So suppose if we have the etc password, where we have the details of the user. So you can see that this cut command, it is very helpful in doing the isolation.